what's going on everybody? How are we doing today? Today we're going to check out the DJI OM4 smartphone stabilizer. I've never used one of these ever. And the reason why I chose the OM4 over the OM3, even though I could have got the OM3 for about $40 less, is the magnetic mount that this comes with. It makes putting on and off the phone so much easier. And to me, it was just well worth the extra money. Of course, that's not the only thing you get. There's quite a bit more with this that makes it a better value. Another thing I really wanted for this is the Active Track 3.0. I'll be testing that pretty heavily. I have on this channel, I review a lot of robot vacuums, and I've always wanted to find a way. The room that I'm vacuuming is usually larger than what the phone can see. So if I can make this Active Track one of my robots driving around, that would help out my videos a lot. So I'll be definitely checking that out. So pretty excited to get into this. I paid the full retail price, $149 from Amazon. And here's a little bit of info on it. Here's what's in the box. Now let's go ahead and get into it. All right, create magnetic moments. I will. Very nice presentation, nice and clean. Go ahead and check these out one by one. And on the right side here, this is the carrying pouch. Very nice. Has the drawstrings. Definitely a nice thing to have. Next up, we have the mounts. This is a card that you put on the back of your phone, and it has you line up the mount perfectly so the weight distribution of the phone works right with the stabilization. Here's some 3M sticky tape. Of course, you have your manuals. Lots of manuals. Quick start guide. And pretty much every single language. One of the magnetic mounts that come with it, this one goes directly on the back of your smartphone and it stays there permanently. And then here is a nice little wristband so you don't drop it as you're using the item. This also comes with a tripod. Very nice. And then of course you can use it like this as an extension. USB-C charging cable. Very nice to see everything switching over to USB-C. Definitely like that cable more than the micro USB. Here's the magnetic mount that I'll be using. Nice and easy. And of course, here is the stabilizer itself, which folds, which is really nice. Let's see how strong this mount is. Pretty strong. I don't think that's gonna fall off. No matter what you're doing with it, you can be running with this. There's pretty much no way that's gonna fall off. That's a nice, strong magnet. Cool. I definitely like that they added that in there. Makes life much easier. This is a riser pad if you have a small phone like the iPhone 7, 8, or SE, or the Samsung S8, etc. All right, everybody, that is everything that comes in the box. Once again, this was $149 from Amazon. Hopefully I like it a lot. I'll be doing a lot of tests with this. I'll show you how good the quality is, some of the special features that this offers. Hopefully I'll be using the tracking feature a lot in my robot vacuum videos. I'm going to be doing one real soon, and I'll throw that in this video. That way you can see how well the track actually works. If you're new, please do me a huge favor, like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. Have a great day.